Picture this, 4.5 billion years ago, before Earth, before the Sun, our solar system was nothing more than a cold, lonely cloud of gas and dust, drifting through the vast emptiness of space, a nebula, silent and mysterious, waiting for its moment to shine. This nebula wasn't just any cloud, it was packed with special ingredients, elements forged in the heart of an ancient supernova. These cosmic leftovers, like glittering stardust, floated together, waiting for something to stir them into action. Then, a powerful shockwave from a nearby exploding star rippled through the nebula, setting it spinning wildly. The cloud began to flatten out, stretching into a giant disk. Imagine a cosmic chef tossing pizza dough high into the air, spinning it into the perfect shape. At the very center of this spinning disk, gravity took charge, pulling most of the material inward. The pressure and heat built up until, boom, our sun was born, igniting with a brilliant flash, a brand new star lighting up the darkness. The sun became the oven at the heart of this cosmic kitchen, blazing hot and ready to cook up something amazing. The leftover dust and gas swirling around the sun were the raw ingredients, just waiting to be transformed into planets, moons, and more. These tiny bits of dust and gas began to orbit the sun, bumping into each other, sticking together, and slowly growing larger. It was like a cosmic game of bumper cars, with each collision helping to build something bigger and better. And so, the universe's biggest bake-off had officially begun. Planets started to form, each one a contestant in this grand cosmic competition, all vying for a place in the solar system. The sun blazed proudly at the center, while the rest of the material swirled and danced around it, ready to be shaped into something extraordinary. Worlds that would one day host oceans, mountains, and maybe even life. The recipe for our solar system was underway, with each ingredient playing a crucial role in the final masterpiece. It was a process full of surprises, twists, and cosmic creativity. Next up, the wild, unpredictable process of building planets from these cosmic leftovers. Get ready because science is about to get seriously cool. With the sun shining, gravity took over as the universe's matchmaker. Tiny dust grains clumped together, forming bigger and bigger chunks, planetesimals. Picture a cosmic snowball fight. These planetesimals collided, merged, and grew. The biggest ones pulled in more material, becoming protoplanets, baby planets. The early solar system was a chaotic demolition derby with constant crashes and mergers. Over millions of years, these protoplanets became the planets we know today. Earth was one of them, growing larger with every collision. Gravity organized the chaos, shaping dust and rock into worlds. The solar system's construction zone was wild, loud, and violent. But from this chaos, order and planets emerged. Earth's story was just beginning. Imagine baby Earth, a wild and restless world swirling with fiery energy. In its earliest days, Earth was a molten volcanic planet. No oceans, no continents, just a vast, churning sea of glowing magma. The surface bubbled and boiled, constantly reshaped by eruptions and rivers of lava. It was a place where nothing could survive, and the air shimmered with heat. Above, the sky was thick and toxic, filled with poisonous gases and swirling clouds. From space, a relentless barrage of asteroids and comets rained down, slamming into the young planet during what scientists call the Late Heavy Bombardment. Each impact sent shockwaves across the surface, leaving craters and chaos in their wake. But these cosmic collisions weren't just destructive. With every crash, comets delivered precious water and mysterious molecules, the essential building blocks of life. These icy visitors brought the seeds of oceans and the spark of possibility, even as they battered the planet. Earth was truly forged in both fire and ice, shaped by the relentless impacts of space rocks and frozen wanderers. The planet's surface was a battlefield, but also a laboratory for creation. Over millions of years, the chaos began to settle. A solid crust slowly formed, cooling the surface and allowing water to collect in pools and shallow seas. Happy clouds gathered, and the first hints of a stable world began to appear. The ingredients for life, water, amino acids, and other cosmic gifts, were mixing together, swirling in a planetary cauldron, thanks to these constant deliveries from space. Earth's violent and energetic youth set the stage for everything that would follow. Volcanoes raged, comets spun by, and the planet itself seemed to dance with possibility. The planet was growing up, slowly transforming from a chaotic child into a more stable, hopeful world. But its biggest and most dramatic transformation was still waiting just around the corner. Suddenly, a massive object loomed on the horizon. A giant asteroid larger than anything before was about to collide with Earth. The stage was set for a cosmic event that would change the planet forever. The universe was about to witness one of its most dramatic and important events, a collision that would echo through time and shape the destiny of our world. The stage was set for the moon's arrival, a new companion that would forever alter Earth's story and help make life possible. Earth's calm didn't last. Another planet, Theia, was on a collision course. Theia slammed into Earth in a glancing blow, vaporizing both worlds' outer layers. The impact was catastrophic, blasting debris into orbit around Earth. Gravity gathered this molten debris into a glowing ring. In a matter of years, the debris clumped together, forming a new molten companion, the Moon. The biggest smash-up in Earth's history didn't destroy our planet, it created its constant companion. The Moon was born from Earth's own material, forged in cosmic violence. This event reshaped both worlds forever. The Moon's birth was a turning point in Earth's story. From destruction came creation. A new chapter began. The Earth and Moon were now a cosmic pair. Their journey together had just begun. Out of the swirling chaos of the early solar system, Earth and its brand new moon began a mesmerizing dance that would last for billions of years. Their partnership was born from a cataclysmic collision, but what followed was a cosmic choreography unlike any other. In those early days, the moon was much closer to Earth than it is now, looming large in the sky and pulling powerfully on Earth's molten surface. This gravitational tug-of-war created gigantic tides, shaping the young planet's landscape and stirring its oceans in ways we can barely imagine today. The moon's steady pull didn't just move the oceans, it also slowed Earth's frantic spin. What began as dizzying 5-hour days gradually lengthened, giving us the familiar 24-hour rhythm that governs life now. This slowing allowed for more stable climates and the development of complex life. Even more importantly, the moon acted as a cosmic stabilizer, holding Earth's tilt steady. This gentle guidance made our seasons predictable, preventing wild swings in climate and making it possible for life to flourish and evolve over millions of years. Over billions of years, the moon has slowly drifted farther away, its orbit expanding with each passing century. Yet even as the distance grows, the moon's influence on Earth remains strong, an invisible bond that still shapes our world. The moon is like a fossil in the sky, its surface covered in craters and scars from ancient impacts. These marks are a record of our solar system's wild and violent youth, preserved for us to study and wonder about. Night after night, the moon lights up our skies, pulls on our oceans to create the tides, and acts as a shield of stability for our spinning planet. Its presence is a constant, gentle force that helps keep Earth's environment just right for life. When you look up at the moon, you're not just seeing a distant rock, you're gazing at a living piece of Earth's own history, a silent witness to every chapter of our planet's incredible story. For over 4 billion years, Earth and Moon have grown and changed together, shaping each other's destinies. Their partnership has weathered cosmic storms, asteroid impacts, and the slow march of time, always side by side. Their relationship is truly the ultimate cosmic love story, a tale of two worlds forever linked, supporting and transforming one another in ways both seen and unseen. The moon is our oldest, closest companion, a steadfast friend and a reminder of our planet's incredible journey through space and time. Whenever you see it shining above, remember, it's been with us since the very beginning, and its story is forever entwined with our own. Let's rewind the cosmic clock to 4.5 billion years ago. The solar system was a chaotic construction zone, with dust, gas, and young planets swirling around the sun. Earth was a newborn, a molten sphere, and it had a neighbor, Theia, a Mars-sized protoplanet. Theia and Earth shared a similar orbit, their gravitational pulls drawing them closer in a slow, inevitable dance. Imagine two race cars on a collision course, tension building as the gap narrows. Theia's orbit became unstable, and a catastrophic encounter was set in motion. The universe, indifferent to drama, followed the laws of physics toward a world-shattering collision. Theia loomed ever larger in Earth's sky, not just a rock, but a rival world. The impact was not head-on, but a glancing blow, a cosmic sideswipe. This angle was crucial. It didn't obliterate both worlds, but set the stage for creation. The collision unleashed unimaginable energy, forever changing Earth's destiny. In that instant, the most important day in Earth's history began. Gravity, momentum, and planetary mass collided at tens of thousands of miles per hour. The result, not just destruction, but the birth of something new. Theia's impact would create the most prominent feature in our night sky. The stage was set for a fiery new chapter in Earth's story. This was more than a crash. It was the beginning of a cosmic partnership. The forces at play were immense, but so were the possibilities. Out of chaos, something extraordinary was about to emerge. The universe had written a new story in fire and rock, and from this violence a companion would be born. The Earth would never be the same. The cosmic dance had reached its climax. Theia's impact with Earth was cataclysmic. Billions of atomic bombs worth of energy in a single moment. Huge portions of both worlds vaporized, blasting a ring of molten debris into orbit. Earth glowed like a star, surrounded by a swirling incandescent ring. Gravity took over, pulling debris together. In just a few thousand years, these clumps merged into a single large body, the Moon. The Moon is a cosmic hybrid made from both Theia and Earth. Apollo missions confirmed this. Lunar rocks match Earth's mantle, but with subtle differences. The Moon is a child of two worlds, forever orbiting its parent. Early on, the Moon was a molten volcanic sphere bombarded by asteroids and comets. This late heavy bombardment left the craters we see today. Being smaller, the Moon cooled quickly, its volcanic heart going quiet. Its surface solidified, preserving the scars of its violent birth. Every time you look up, you see a piece of ancient Earth and a record of cosmic violence. The Moon's existence is proof of our planet's turbulent beginnings. From destruction, a companion was born. Earth and Moon took different evolutionary paths. Earth is geologically alive, its surface constantly reshaped by plate tectonics, volcanoes, and erosion. The Moon, in contrast, is a geological fossil. Its core solidified long ago. There are no shifting continents or active volcanoes. The Dark Maria are ancient lava plains, not seas. The Moon's inactivity is a gift. Its surface preserves a pristine record of the early solar system. Craters and lunar dust tell stories erased from Earth's ever-changing face. Studying the Moon is like looking back in time. After its formation, the Moon was much closer, 10 times nearer than today. It dominated the sky, its gravity creating colossal tides on young Earth. These tides may have shaped our planet's early environment. The Moon is a museum of our solar system's violent youth. Its scars are a window into our own past. The Moon is more than a pretty light. It's Earth's stabilizer. Its gravity keeps our planet's tilt steady, giving us stable seasons and climate. Without the Moon, Earth's tilt would wobble, causing wild climate swings. The Moon's pull creates tides, mixing oceans and nurturing life. Tidal pools may have been the cradle for life's first ingredients. The Moon is a time capsule, a guardian, and a partner. Its violent birth gave us a stable, habitable world. The Earth-Moon system is a cosmic accident that made life possible. When you look up, remember, our Moon is a survivor of chaos, shaping our destiny. In the vast universe, we were lucky to get the perfect companion.
Like and subscribe now.